After showcasing its Apex smartphone last year, Vivo, the China-based smartphone manufacturer, is now all set to showcase its successor, Vivo Apex 2019. The company has already scheduled a launch event on 24 January in China, where it will unveil the Apex 2019. While there is a lot of buzz related to the phone's design, no live leaks of the device have surfaced so far. However, Ben Jeskin has shared the phone's concept render through Twitter, which reveals the phone's design. The concept render of the smartphone shows its bezel-less display. While the bezels are minimal on the sides and top, it still has a slightly thicker chin at the bottom. Nonetheless, it could be the phone with the highest screen-to-body ratio. On the back side, the device features a dual camera setup in the top center position. The camera sensors are stacked vertically along with an LED flash. At the bottom, there is a Vivo branding. As per the reports, the phone won't come with any ports or buttons. The no buttons and no ports design suggests that the phone will support wireless charging as well as wireless data transfer, and the users will have to rely on the gesture-based and pressure-sensitive navigation system. The phone will come with an advanced in-display fingerprint sensor with a larger area and improved sensor for security. Last year's Apex smartphone had a unique pop-up front-facing camera, making the phone stand apart from the rest. However, it's not yet known what Vivo has adopted for the Apex 2019 smartphone for the front-facing camera. As for the memory configuration, the phone could come with 8GB RAM, but there is a possibility that the company could also announce 10GB RAM or 12GB RAM variant as well. We are expecting the device to be powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 855 octa-core processor manufactured using 7nm process. The Vivo Apex 2019 is scheduled to get launched in China on 24 January. While the company has not yet confirmed this, we can expect the Chinese company to showcase the Vivo Apex 2019 smartphone at the upcoming Mobile World Congress 2019 in Barcelona, Spain, which will kick off on 25th February.